Hello, welcome to Sumo Biology. We are discussing NEET 2022 question paper. The question says, given below two statements, one is assertion, other is reason. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate. बिल्कुल ठीक बात है. All vertebrates are chordates. Absolutely correct. All chordates are not vertebrate, but all chordates are not vertebrate because chordate can be divided into three subphyla: Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. ठीक जी. तो इसमें वर्टिब्रेट्स में कौन आ है जिनकी नोटोकॉर्ड रिप्लेस हो जाती है वर्टिब्रल कॉलम से, वो वर्टिब्रेट्स कहलाते हैं. तो ऑल कॉर्डेट्स आर नॉट वर्टिब्रेट, बट ऑब्वियसली कॉर्डेट chordata divided into Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. So we can say that all vertebrates are chordate. That is absolutely correct, but all chordates are not vertebrate because some are Urochordates, some are Cephalochordates, and rest of them are vertebrates. So this is the correct statement. Reason: notochord is replaced by vertebral column in the adult vertebrate because notochord is replaced by vertebral column. That's the reason why all chordates are not vertebrate. So this is the correct reasoning and correct explanation. So you should go with option number 1, which says A. Option number 3. Option number 3. Both are correct and R is the correct explanation of assertion. So option number 3 is the right choice. You should go with option number 3. Okay ji. Option number 3. I hope it answers the question. Thank you.